On the judge's appointment, Chief Justice Martha Koome is asking President Uhuru Kenyatta to appoint the 6 judges he rejected. The Chief Justice, in a statement, points out that there is dire need for the 6 judges as the backlog of cases is increasing. The Chief Justice saying she is aware that many people have questioned her role in the appointment process, which she says she played no part in. The Chief Justice says the process was undertaken 2 years ago and that upon forwarding the names to His Excellency the President, the Chief Justice and the JSC became functus officio, which means ceased to have any role. Chief Justice Koome concluding that respect for the rule of law and independence of the judiciary is guaranteed under the Constitution, adding that no person or authority is allowed to direct the JSC or the judiciary in the execution of their mandate.